Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Sonos voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Sonos voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, start by ensuring your Sonos system is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, ensure your Sonos app is up to date. Open the Sonos app on your device. Go to the Settings menu, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Select Voice Services from the list of options. You will see options for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Choose the voice assistant you want to enable first. For Alexa, select Amazon Alexa and follow the prompted instructions. You will be asked to log in to your Amazon account. Once logged in, you can choose which Sonos speakers you want to control with Alexa. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now, if you prefer using Google Assistant, return to the Voice Services menu. Select Google Assistant and follow the prompts. You will need to link your Google account during this process. Choose the Sonos speakers that will work with Google Assistant. Complete the setup as guided by the app. Once both voice services are set up, test them out. You can start by saying Alexa, play music, or Hey Google, play my favorite playlist. Ensure your voice commands are clear and at a reasonable volume. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection and speaker setup. You are now ready to enjoy voice control with your Sonos system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.